But y'all can say what you thought of Family Man, because I don't think we'll end up reviewing.
Again, I think the first and second season writing was much better than the third season. I think that Manoj Bajpayee's character is this bumbling kind of guy and awkward with his family. I think it was
Huh.
too forced in this season.
Very forced.
There's no naturalness to how he's interacting with his. He's having issues
With his wife.
with
and
his
all.
wife and how he's dealing. How he's also very ordinary while being this intelligence, guy who's saving the world. He's also this really average, ordinary, middle class uncle. That really came out well in the first two episodes. Third episode, it's a bit like
Also,
third
there
season
has
is
to
a bit.
be a growth in a
Absolutely.
change
Yeah.
in character. Your
And
your
that's, I
personality
think-
can't stay the same.
Yeah.
And that's, I
Wow.
think, what both Family Man and Delhi Crime, this is a problem that
Yeah.
both of them share.
Yeah.
That I don't think when they were initially being written, anyone had figured that this is as long an arc as they were going to have to follow. Like, what do you do with a character that has to stay same in many
That's
ways,
what.
but also evolve
There
and
has
have
to be
challenges
some
and
evolution,
stuff,
right?
right?
Especially if you're going through such traumatic and
Yes.
earth-shattering incidents where you are saving the world or saving India at least, that it's not affecting your personality
No,
at
in the
all.
case of
Even
Family
as a
Man-
status, right? In
In
the
Family Man, his life is being affected, his personal life is
Yeah.
being affected very directly, and yet his personality doesn't seem to be changing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also, is Nagaland
No, they are
like
doing
funding only Jaideep Ahlawat shows, or is
yeah,
it like
because
wider?
I'll tell you, it is very difficult to shoot in places like Nagaland and all still, because you have to take pretty much all your infrastructure
Yeah,
there, even though you will get, there are lots of camera people and all there, but a large, but it's far more investment to take stuff from Bombay or from wherever to Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh and all, and to do such extensive shoots means Nagaland, whoever is there in Nagaland government who is managing this, hats off to them, because
Because-
big shows are being
And
done.
it's good. I'm very happy
Yeah.
to see a landscape
Yeah.
that's unfamiliar.
And different actors.
different
It's nice to
actors.
see the
Yeah,
actors.
and
you
tell
know?
me, it was
And the-
Patal Lok, right? The last
Lok.
one.
But the
They
problem
did it
is,
very well, though.
Patal Lok was very well done. The problem, I think, is when you do it so close to one another, like Patal
Yeah,
Lok
yeah,
was,
it
what,
was
February,
like
March?
blending.
It just feels like you have to start comparisons,
Yeah.
like you can't stop your head from going there, and that didn't work so well.